Good morning to all of you. I am from second standard. I am going to tell an example of people. I have plants. I do not eat Good morning. Support I am example of everyone I am those people. I have and I am small plant. Thank you. I am very small and so